Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the PowerColor Fighter AMD Radeon RX 6750 XT and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance in gaming, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore enthusiast, understanding the differences between these two cards will guide you in choosing the right one for your setup. When it comes to performance, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT shines in delivering solid gaming experiences at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Its 12 GB of GDDR6 memory allows for decent frame rates in most modern titles. However, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti takes the lead with its 16 GB GDDR6X memory and advanced features like DLSS 3 and ray tracing, making it a powerhouse for 1440p and even 4K gaming. If you're looking for high-end performance and stunning visuals, the RTX 4070 Ti is the clear winner. Price is a significant factor when choosing between these two graphics cards. The PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT is priced at $349, making it an attractive option for gamers on a budget who still want solid performance. In contrast, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti comes with a hefty price tag of $829. While it offers superior performance and features, the cost may be prohibitive for some. It's essential to consider your budget and gaming needs before making a decision. In terms of features, the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT provides the essentials for gamers, including HDMI and DisplayPort outputs. However, the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti is packed with cutting-edge technology, including DLSS 3, ray tracing capabilities, and auto extreme technology for enhanced reliability and performance. The advanced cooling solution with dual axial tech fans ensures optimal thermal management, making it a more future-proof choice for gamers looking to push their systems to the limit. In conclusion, both the PowerColor Fighter RX 6750 XT and the ASUS Dual GeForce RTX 4070 Ti have their strengths and weaknesses. The RX 6750 XT is a fantastic choice for budget-conscious gamers who want solid performance at lower resolutions, while the RTX 4070 Ti is ideal for those seeking top-tier performance and features for high-end gaming. We hope this comparison has helped you in your decision-making process. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.